Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a basic Shopify store. Start by visiting Shopify's website and signing up for a free trial. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a unique store name. This name will be part of your default URL, so make it memorable and relevant to your brand. Next, provide some basic information about your business, such as your industry and whether you're already selling products. This initial setup takes just a few minutes, getting you ready for the next steps. Once your account is ready, it's time to add your products. From your Shopify admin, click on Products and then Add Product. Here, you'll input the product title, a detailed description, and upload high-quality images. Don't forget to set your pricing, manage inventory levels, and specify shipping details. You can also organize products with collections and tags, making them easier for customers to find. Now, let's make your store visually appealing. Go to Online Store and then Themes. You can choose from many free and paid themes in the Shopify theme store. Once selected, use the theme editor to customize colors, fonts, and the overall layout to align with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to add crucial pages like About Us, Contact Us, and a clear return policy to build customer trust. The final steps involve setting up payments and shipping. Navigate to Settings and then Payments to activate Shopify payments or integrate other providers like PayPal. Next, configure your shipping rates and delivery zones under Shipping and Delivery. Once everything is set, thoroughly review your store to ensure all links work and information is accurate. When you're confident, click the Launch Store button to go live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.